What's up, guys? My name is Brent Showerman. I'm coming to you from my apartment in Los Angeles to tell you about Menlo Club's June package. Now, first of all, before I go any further, this is the first unboxing video that I have ever done, so don't kill me in the comments. And also, I want to tell you a little bit about Menlo Club and my experience with it before I get started. Now, this is my first month as a Menlo Club insider, which I'll tell you about in a second, but I've joined Menlo Club about 14 months ago, right after I moved to Los Angeles, a little bit after I moved to Los Angeles, and I have been loving it. They help me add pieces to my wardrobe that I otherwise really wouldn't have tried. I like to think I'm fashionable, but I'm really not that fashionable, so they help me stay current, stay with the style, and even be a little bit fashion forward. So also being a new Menlo insider, basically that just means I get to show the product to you, I get to promote it, and I think that's really cool because it's something that I believe in. It's a local company, really cool people, great customer service. I can't say enough about it. So let's get right to the unboxing because frankly, I want to see what's in this package and I want to show it to you. So here we go. So we know that it's going to be 2 shirts and the Grayson sneaker, which I'm really excited about the sneaker. Always like to add another pair of shoes to my lineup, and so we'll see what I got. All right, now I have the box open. First, I'm going to pull out this really cool hat, 1980. That may be when 5'4" was born. I was born 10 years later, so pretty cool. We're going to pull out the shirts here. And we got a sweet gray polo. I was actually really hoping to get this. Awesome summer weight. Got a 2-tone darker collar, a couple buttons up there, looking classy for summer. And the second piece is this awesome t-shirt. Got 3 colors on there. Totally my color palette. I really like it. Also a nice summer weight. And now let's dive into the shoes. Got an awesome 5'4" box there. Open it up. First of all, oh, we got a nice carrying bag in here. That's nifty. Don't need a shoebox when you have a carrying bag. Pull out the shoes. Oh, it's the classic black. This Grayson sneaker is awesome. Has a rubber outsole. Pull out the other one here. I'm so excited to rock these. And bam, so they're pretty cool. I have a white lace, but as Dee said in the preview video, maybe I'll throw in a colored lace in there and make it pop a little bit. So now let's see what this stuff looks like on. Alright guys, that's my June Menlo Club package. I'm loving it. I hope that you love your June package, and I'll be doing more of these unboxing videos. So if you want, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing God knows what, I don't know, and you won't know either unless you subscribe, so go ahead and do that if you want to. I hope you enjoy your month of June, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, yes, that rhymed. No, it wasn't intentional. And sorry not sorry if you didn't like it because I loved it. Bye, guys.